Capricorns, star with Rihanna Stark. This is your forecast for the month of April 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use some oracle decks that I have here. This is the tarot deck. The Butterfly Oracle deck by Doreen Virtue is the one which I'm going to dive into with respect to messages from the universe. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. Towards the final days of March, stepping into April, we have the Sun card. In the final days of March, you were blowing hot and cold. Maybe later on you had realized it was pointless, getting worked up for nothing. Oftentimes, you may also have felt that you were sacrificing yourself. Nonetheless, with respect to your life, I think you were planning about the long-term future. Some of you may have also wanted to look for a piece of real estate. Basically, in this period, you desired newness. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that April is going to present for you is the Queen of Pentacles. Ideally, I think Capricorns, you're being called upon to be more assertive. You should not let other people walk all over you. It's quite likely that you will be let down by people around you. Sometimes you may feel as though you're being taken for granted. Incidentally, there will also be those days when you will be lacking motivation. Some gains are quite likely in this period. Maybe you are also going to deal with financial transactions or banking work. But in the end of it, you may think as if the gains that you have made is not enough with respect to your long-term future. Influences for this month, we have the Emperor card. You are being called upon to be more collaborative in your approach. Perhaps you should have a very flexible mindset. Maybe you think that your way is the right way forward, but this could irk your colleagues or your co-workers. Incidentally, you will also be in a very competitive frame of mind. Ideally, I think you should be more tolerant of your colleagues. Besides, you are being called upon not to assume things, or you shouldn't create those misunderstandings. Sometimes you could even exaggerate. So that is why issues could snowball into bigger issues. This month is also a good time for learning. Your talents will also be appreciated. You will find that your work is progressing very well. Incidentally, if you have applied for a job, then the influences are not so good, so you should tone down your expectations. Capricorns, you're also being called upon to take care of your health. The first 10 days of April, we have the Lovers card. There's a choice with respect to matters of the heart or even with respect to your professional life. Communication will certainly bring you gains. In fact, you will find that deals will be inked very quickly. Incidentally, you may also be wondering whether you should have quoted a higher price for your services. Whatever it is, your creativity will be appreciated and will be quite visible to everybody around. Compliments will also come your way on account of your dress sense or on account of your personality. The next 10 days of the month, we have the Knight of Swords energy. Certainly, you are being called upon to be more adaptable to the changing circumstances. You have to have a flexible mindset. Sometimes you are going to rush and finalize deals. That is why you are going to be very hasty, and this could mean that you could overlook the finer details. Capricorns, you have to be prepared for the unforeseen eventualities that this period is going to present. Possibly you have to attend to whatever comes up. Incidentally, you'll also be happy because things will go according to plan. I think you're somebody who's going to go the extra mile to make some quick bucks. Although you're going to organize yourself, you may find that your superior could turn the tables on you. Maybe you could defer the work, or he doesn't have any concrete plan, so this could exasperate you. It is very frustrating to deal with such kind of a person. You should also be careful of equipment or technology, as that could also create roadblocks on your path. Those of you who are in the leadership position, you will find yourself getting irked because there are sluggish workers. Maybe they don't carry on with the task in an efficient manner. Interestingly, in this period also the management could scrutinize your moves. Maybe she could suggest that there should be an appraisal. So this could leave you a bit tensed. The final days of April, we have the King of Swords energy. Certainly, you're being called upon to take responsibility. I think the onus is entirely on you. Sometimes you may also be peeved because you feel that others leave everything on you. Urgent matters have to be taken into account. I think you're going to deliberate with a senior person, maybe a father figure. Perhaps there'll be brainstorming sessions with him and you will seek his advice with respect to the official work that comes up. Money could also be the bone of contention in relationships this month. You could also be somebody who could use guile to make gains, but then you should be careful because the issue of ethics could come up and your lies could be exposed. As a leader, you will definitely establish yourself. Maybe there was talk that you wouldn't survive the baptism by fire, but then you do so beautifully and wonderfully well. It's quite likely that you will frame policies. Gains can also be expected in legal matters. Other than that, I think you will enjoy good food or you will be socializing a bit. With respect to your love life, I have the card New Direction. Possibly your love life is taking a new turn in this month. Those of you who are crushing on someone, I think you will continue to cyberstalk the person. Ideally, I think Capricorns, you should not come across as being too persuasive. On the other hand, single Capricorns can also expect admirers. Maybe they could be younger than you. Basically, they'll be charmed by your looks or your demeanor. Maybe your admirer also thinks that you're egoistical because you're not going to accept his offer of love. Incidentally, there could also be a choice in love this month. There could be two options before you. Maybe you're getting familiar with someone and then another person could show an interest in you. If of you who are romancing, you will certainly find that your person is quite playful at times, but at times he could withdraw or retreat into a shell. Nonetheless, Capricorns, you're ready to settle down. Sometimes your person could also talk very vaguely, and this leaves you perplexed. There are certain obstacles in your love life. Maybe other people around you could dissuade you from continuing with the relationship. So this could create mental stress. Your lover is also somebody who could assist you at work. Maybe you will discuss work-related strategies with him. Romancing Capricorns will also be happy because your lover is progressing at work. You're happy with his success. At times, your lover could also be quite insecure. Maybe he thinks that you could return to your ex. Perhaps he also thinks that he doesn't match up to your looks. On the other hand, those of you who are married, I think you're somebody who's going to change your plans way too often, and this could irk your spouse. Ideally, I think you shouldn't meddle in your spouse's affairs. Some of you are also dealing with the fluctuating moods of your person. In case you are in an unhappy relationship, I think marital infidelity or domestic violence could also be an issue here. Besides, your spouse could quarrel because your child could support you. You wish your person was more cooperative, or you wish that your spouse was somebody who would acknowledge you. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have the card Adult Children. Quite clearly, children are a factor in your relationships this month, or maybe you're going to be concerned about the well-being of your children, especially your older children. Perhaps they have plans for higher education, so maybe they will leave the roost very soon. In some cases, it could also be that your children could be wanting to marry or settle down. It could also be Capricorns that you could be dealing with a child who is quite mature beyond his years, even if he is a kid in your eyes. All in all, this month, Capricorns, you are being called upon to take the initiative and to capitalize on the openings that come your way. I hope Capricorns, you liked your reading. This is Chava with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.